4, day 5, ready to go, ready to start. Very simple and direct way we are finding by doing these exercises, finding our new pathways to these dopamine, serotonin, all these natural drugs inside.
I saw this and I thought, if I'm in Bali, I have to be part of that. I'm super happy that we decided to come and stay a little bit longer here. Right now, the experience that we have done so far has been relaxing on one side, but very exciting on the other, because the body starts feeling different things, no? And I'm not used to feel them the whole time.